this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to share an easy recipe that you can make in your crock pot. It's a homemade tomato soup that has some added health benefits, lentils and chickpeas or garbanzo beans. As always, the recipe is below, but what you'll need is obviously a crock pot, some onion, 2 kinds of paprika, some garlic, jarred or fresh, some lentils, and I'm using the red lentils for this, some canned garbanzo beans, or you can cook your own from dried, some diced tomatoes, some broth, and some seasonings. And I am cutting the original recipe in half since there's just the 2 of us, but I will have it posted below. It makes enough for 4 people. The way I do it, or 8 if you do it the full recipe. And I will use an immersion blender at the end to puree it all up. So let me show you how I make homemade tomato soup with lentils and chickpeas. The first thing we're going to do is, in a skillet on the stove top, is heat up some olive oil, and then we're going to saute our onion. After that has gotten browned after a few minutes, then we're going to start adding the garlic and the other seasonings. I am using jarred garlic today, but feel free to use fresh. And I also am using 2 kinds of paprika, a regular sweet and then a smoked paprika. I believe this is actually important. Toasting the spices is really important, and the 2 kinds of paprika are really important. I've made it with just the sweet, and it doesn't taste as good without that smoked flavor. I've also added the thyme and some salt and pepper, and we're just going to stir this around and toast it a few minutes until it's fragrant. You should be able to smell it, and then it'll be time to put it in our crock pot. So I've sprayed the liner of my small crock pot. If you're doubling this, please use a larger one. You want to scrape all the onion and spice mixture in there, and then take 1 cup of your chicken stock or vegetable stock and go ahead and get all the stuff from the bottom of the pan. You don't want to lose any of that flavor. And then after we get that in the crock pot, we'll add the rest of the ingredients, the rest of the stock. And there are days that I just can't follow a recipe. I was not supposed to put the tomatoes in yet, and so I tried to dig them back out. This recipe did turn out okay, but follow the recipe, unlike I did, and add the tomatoes later. The recipe calls for cooking the lentils and garbanzo beans a couple of hours until they're soft. Then you add the tomatoes and cook them another hour or so. And then when you're finished, you can puree it as much or as little as you like. Remember, if you don't have an immersion blender, you can put some in a regular blender. And that is crock pot tomato soup with lentils and chickpeas. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel today. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.